Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Maureen Akers here today with Gary again. Gary, thank you so much for joining us.
Good to be here. Thank you.
Well, today we're talking about a question that we've gotten from a viewer. It's pretty interesting. And the viewer's asking about a life insurance policy, and they've taken it out on another family member.
Right.
Can someone do that without somebody's knowledge? Like, can I say, oh, I'm going to go just take out a life insurance policy on my daughter without telling her or her knowing about it?
You can on your daughter if they're a minor.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the easy question there. The
What if she's
question
an
that
adult?
comes up,
Yeah.
who can you insure?
Yeah.
You know, can you take out an insurance policy on a total stranger? Kind of betting on the on what's going to happen, you know,
right.
or maybe you have a hand in what happens.
Yeah.
You know? So the law says no.
Okay.
Without their consent, unless you have an insurable interest in that person. So the insurable interest would be they work with you. Maybe it's a key man policy at a law firm, so to speak, or they owe you money, or maybe they owe you services, or anyway. So if there is a legitimate business interest or involvement, then you can take out an insurance policy on the other person, but they have to consent to it.
They do, so they have to know about it.
They have to know about it, and the insurance company is supposed to tell them that they are being insured by somebody else too. So there are some protections, so we don't just say, well, maybe
I think Joe Smith might not make it through the week.
He may not make it through Thursday, you know, so we take out a policy, so no insurance company is going to do that.
Gotcha.
Children are different. Husbands and wives are different, actually. You can take out a policy on your children without telling them. That's an insurable interest in that relationship, and then husbands and wives certainly can take out policies on one another. I think that's generally what happens. The beneficiary of your life would be your husband. So you know, that's kind of common and really the intended purpose.
Right.
So yes, you can, but with some caveats, and you can't just do it secretly.
Yeah. So somebody has to know about it.
Right.
So what if the benefits are not paid for some reason? Is there a lawsuit?
That's probably where we see more issues as a lawyer. Not so much I've been insured by somebody, I don't know who they are. The question is, are they paying? And Georgia has some good law on that. If an insurance company doesn't act in good faith, if they don't pay a claim, whether it's life insurance benefits or any benefits, there are some penalties and interest and attorney's fees even that can be levied against the insurance carrier for not doing what they're supposed to do. So that's when you need a lawyer. If they're not paying, if they don't tell you, that's when you call a lawyer.
Yeah, very good.
All right.
Interesting topic.
Thanks
so much for joining us today, Gary. We look forward to seeing you on the very next Legal Break.